Meaning of doomsayer.
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 Doomsayer. A doomsayer is someone who predicts or warns of impending disaster, catastrophe, or doom. This term is often used to describe those who constantly express negative opinions and predictions about the future. Doomsayers may believe that the end of the world is near or that a major crisis is about to occur. They can also be seen as alarmists who exaggerate the severity of a situation. Ultimately, the result of doomsaying is often fear, panic, and anxiety among those who listen to their warnings.